The automotive industry faces constant pressure to improve the internal combustion engine, to make it more powerful, more fuel efficient, and cleaner. This has led to the invention of Dayco's timing belt in oil, a breakthrough belt designed to withstand increasing performance demands. The world's very first application was fitted on the Ford Lynx engine and subsequently the Ford 1-liter EcoBoost, the Stellantis 1.2-liter PureTech, and the Ford 2-liter EcoBlue engine. And Dayco's technology continues to be adopted by other automakers. You may be wondering, what exactly is a timing belt in oil? Unlike a traditional dry timing belt, a timing belt in oil literally runs on the wet side of the engine, often submerged in the oil pan, just like a timing chain. Not only is it made from advanced, oil-resistant materials with higher strength cords, it's an innovative way to help power an engine combining the best features of traditional belts and chains. When compared to a timing chain, which is often a bit heavier, our timing belt in oil offers superior efficiency with less parasitic loss, meaning better fuel economy. The oil-lubricated environment combined with the belt's composition results in quieter operation, increased durability, reduced vibrations, and overall better temperature resistance. Most consumers are unaware their vehicle fitted with the timing chain also has an oil pump drive belt that must be serviced. This creates a massive opportunity for both distributors and repair shops. Educating motorists on upkeep and replacement of timing belt and oil is critical to the life of their vehicle. As more vehicles are nearing OE service intervals, Dayco is launching part numbers for several Ford applications and many others are in development. For more information, visit Dayco online.